Sorry I can't be with you gentlemen tonight. Chris, thank you. Um, Due to some circumstances, personal circumstances that need to be taken care of. Also, with a meeting on some stuff. So what I did was on the 5th of May, the tornado in Moneta, Turning Tide Road. I've been monitoring the potential for severe weather for a couple days. Um, I had kept an eye on it for some see what would happen at night when with the tornadoes that looked like occurred in North Carolina. As it moved north, obviously it had some rotation, and I'm going to have a link actually that I'm giving to you guys that is going to it generally goes over what I went through. So I'm not going to get too much into it, but and you don't need to play the link, but I connect the link because it has the information and the actual images that I used from my GR3 radar for this. I decided to contact the weather service and ask if I could head down there and take a look, send some pictures back. Took a ride down there. Took about 20 minutes from where I was at to get there. It was really messed up, and as I got further down Turning Tide, you can see the damage increasing, and then there was the change of the trees. One side blown one way, one side blown the other way. So there was some definite tornado signature damage. So I snapped some pictures, snapped a video, sent it to the National Weather Service, and was able to actually get. We had it. Steve Keaton, I believe, went out there and certified it as a EF0 tornado. There was a lot of trees down, a lot of tree damage. Right off the lake. The storm was likely a water spout in the water that came up and just ran across the area, collapsed some garages. It was closer, I would say it was closer to the EF1 scale, but being on the high end EF0 scale really doesn't matter. But like I said, sorry guys, I couldn't be with you tonight, but I want to describe what I did that day and look forward to chasing again here in 2018 and getting a lot better stuff with an HD camera and some more good severe weather days. So I hope everybody's going well tonight. Thank you for letting me have this conversation. And click on the link that Chris is going to give you, and we will that will explain more into the actual tornado. Thanks.